Sundant is solar design software that enables designers and engineers to essentially design, model, and optimize solar arrays in 3D. One of the primary challenges when dealing with any type of design in the solar industry is you're always going to experience changes during the design and also construction process. And we've built Sundant to enable the user to respond to those changes effectively.
Before I was using Sundant, I would design a PV system in AutoCAD, and it can be time consuming. Whereas with Sundant, you just plug in some numbers and then it just fills out the space the most optimal way that the space allows.
Sundant has a feature called scripting. That scripting feature basically enables you to record steps that you take during the design process and then play them back for other projects. There are no system size limits. We can handle anything from a residential system to a large utility scale ground mount in the multi-hundreds of megawatts.
What I really like the most about Sundant is that you can very quickly compare a bunch of different scenarios. With a click of your mouse, you can have it create 2, 3, 4, 10 different iterations using all sorts of variables. It's just super easy.
What makes Sundant so powerful is the user's ability to build any type of layout with no system size limits, and for the user to be able to analyze topography, develop a DC electrical design, run scripting, which enables the user to automate the automation tool. All of these features allow the user to save time and cost during design and allow them to optimize their system design to make sure they're meeting the needs of their customers.